Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today we're learning how to say my brother, my sister, my mother, my father, my dog, and my cat. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
Abuti, how do we say my father in Sepedi?
Tate waka.
Tate waka.
How do we say my mother in Sepedi?
Me waka.
Me waka.
Now how do we say my cat in Sepedi?
Katsi yaka.
Katsi yaka.
And how do we say my dog in Sepedi?
Msa yaka.
Mcha yaka.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. When you say my brother, my father, my mother, you use wa. And when you say my dog and my cat, you use ya. So when we say morware waka, we're actually saying brother of mine. The wa means of. And the ka in this context means mine. So when we say mcha yaka, we're saying dog of mine. The ya, once again, in this context means of. Dog of mine. Now let's practice this some more. Abuti, how do we say my brother in Sepedi?
Morware waka.
Muwarre waka.
And now you understand a little bit better when talking about possession in Sepedi. Goodbye, Abuti. See you next time.
Shalachabotse.